Sorti là, m'a parlé ba.
Hey beautiful peeps, thanks for clicking on this vlog. I hope you brought a swimsuit, eh? While I'm packing a snack for today's outing, let me tell you all a little bit about where we're going. To orient you, I live on the east coast of the island of St. Lucia in the community of Monrepo, Micoud. Today, we're going on a journey that is very popular among St. Lucian families and tourists alike. The sulfur springs and driving volcano is located in the historic town of Soufrière or Soufouye on the southwestern coast of the island. This is one of the outings that St. Lucians can't abandon. My family we have been going to the sulfur springs since I was a little girl. It is hailed as the world's only drive-in volcano that has not erupted since 1766. That's 257 years ago. Visitors bask in the hot springs, get a nice sulfur scrub, and marvel at the thought of being inside a freaking volcano. And the fun fact is that one of the episodes of The Bachelor TV series was filmed here. Don't forget to hit that like button and drop me a comment. Tell me your thoughts, tell me your memories, ask any questions you want, you know. Tell me if you've been to the sulfur spring, or if you're not from St. Lucia yet you've been there, let me know. And thanks for clicking on this vlog, and I hope you enjoy, peeps. See you at the end. Say hello.
Arriva. How you all feeling? Better?
You have a joke? It was Sierra. And then there was another one. Oh yeah. Better than last time.
Lucky! Zero. And it's zero.
You can talk.
Big CEO in there? Yeah. Stretch your feet. Where's the first again?
I don't think so.
See masala?
Girly.
Yeah. Nanan.
How do you have to do it?
This is Malik, my little cousin.
yes,
Say hello, Malik.
Which one?
You don't know who you're talking to?
The house of dictionary?
You'll see yourself on the TV.
Bring it up there for
Where?
that's so massive.
And the record. Thank you. Oh, yeah.
Blue. That's my boy.
We want to push that back there so Sierra can sit on that side.
It's for a million times.
Sierra can sit there.
Push the back there.
I can watch it live.
Huh? Stretch your feet. Use my feet as an anchor. Use that as an anchor.
Dirty Jeff.
Use that as an anchor. Use that as an anchor. Yeah.
And we're off.
One is mine. One pig is mine.
This is one of the sweetest things you can do in the Caribbean. Sitting in the back of a van, going on around the island. Not around the island, but on a trip. Because we're not doing the whole round. We're going to the Sulphur Springs. I think we're stopping for fuel.
Russell, one favor. Gas coming from Lottie.
Me cool.
Saddest gas station.
Banging.
Uh-oh.
How can you have mold in a building? Don't go too high on the bridge. Yeah, they might be. You see the end again? You see?
Rice and company.
Check the grass there for that house, huh? Green shit. Like you need to give that. So that you need to give that.
Coconut for me. One buy a coconut for me.
The coconut?
One buy a coconut for you? Don't feel no way, we don't eat canned stuff. We are vegetarians. No problem, my baby. Yeah. So that's it. Rather than they tell you shit. I didn't tell you. What? 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 That's why I'm not eating canned stuff.
Master.
Hello, miss. You need any assistance? You sure?
That's a monster
Bye,
truck.
see you for falling off it. Okay. Have a wonderful Sunday. And a productive.
Huh? Massey. Hey peeps, we're at Massey Supermarket in Lauritius. We're doing a pit stop. I think they're getting, I don't know, snacks? Juice and stuff, drinks. And then we'll head on our way to the Sulphur Springs, this way.
Why? Why? Come over there.
So we're just chilling.
Who there, man? Come over there. One over there.
On my phone.
When you get older and you can, you know, take care of your things.
I can take care of my phone.
Eh?
Hour. Let me go open that umbrella for you.
Snack time.
Let me do.
Next, look. Hit that still.
They sell coconut over there and watermelon.
is what brings discipline. The new bridge.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is a new bridge. Now this one was the bypass.
We have to save our utensils.
PI combined school. Oh, the secondary over there. I love your shirt. Your shirt is perfect for today.
Yeah, thank you very much. my deceased mom who brought me this one.
Oh, look at the sea, look at the sea. The ocean. Down there.
We're passing through the
Soisel. I don't know. Village Soisel.
Our French girl. No.
Something fed.
Drink that. Is that going on?
Whoa.
Hello, sir. How are you doing?
That's a Catholic church.
Yeah, Catholic church.
Hey, Shabin! Good Lord! How you need body feel up? You need body feel up?
No, nobody will feel that. If you can feel that body.
I will construct in the Daito. That is the Daito.
That's a fisheries.
We doing them that there?
No. The thing about it is that when they
Go
were
see
doing that,
Dread.
I told them about it. Boy, problems!
You
I don't know him. I work with him, man.
Oh.
Hey. That's the way that build that whole thing there. They have to drench that. They have to drench it.
Well. What are they doing?
Diamond!
They're making the water deeper. They're taking sand.
What they were supposed to put it. You see, as it is there. You see the sun?
Yeah.
The sun going into it. So they have to put it out.
Wow. Beautiful.
You see that put up? See? That's pump it up.
My dream house.
That's a luxury.
Wow. That's where all your money going, people.
Oh, we are at the sulfur spring. Take it light.
Yay! I finally reached. Not full.
Sulfur Springs.
The eye of the volcano. Yeah.
Driving Volcano.
That's a volcano?
To me, these things were not here.
No.
These buildings.
Let me tell you something. Developments. You can't build many houses around.
You have to have permission.
I'm not only. Let me tell you something. If you want to spend money,
Yeah.
Spend money for build house.
But
We let me show you.
in the bad lane.
There are,
Yes.
there are pine trees.
Go forward, go forward.
Take a packet on the right.
Look at all the pine trees.
There are pine trees past here.
Make the pools or whatever. We didn't come, remember? No.
Serious.
Hey peeps, so right now we're standing in the dome of the volcano in St. Lucia. We're in the only drive-through volcano in the world. In the world.
And it is located where? St. Lucia.
Yes.
Your land of birth.
And
Let
if,
them
when we
do
go
that.
higher up there, we'll get to the crater of the volcano. But right now we're going to the sulfur springs, which is like a hot springs. The water comes from the volcano. And then you could get a nice scrub and exfoliate your skin with the sulfur.
Come on, my girl.
Yes.
Be a little bit more explicit. And you know what happened to that? When you come from there, you're rejuvenated,
Yes.
15 years younger. Like me, I am close to my 50s. I may subject myself to not... Sorti la ma palibaw. I'm subject to 40. No, 30. 30. After a bath today.
Yeah, peeps, so you heard it. Come here and you'll get younger.
And
You'll feel so much better.
And the best thing is to have a nice view at the top of this
Yes.
hill overlooking Soufra village, Sozel, and the
Sozel is up
environs.
this way. We came from up this way.
That's right.
Yeah.
So, and if they have to take into consideration,
Going down to friends side.
the sulfur is what makes these pine trees take so long to become the size of this pole. So when you cut them pine trees,
Oh, the sulfur slows their growth.
Their growth. Now as it slows their growth, you know what happens? They are stronger. They are more resilient to termite and to rot and to, you know, people doesn't understand them kind of scientific things. That vehicle had a mud bath.
Yeah, peeps, so come enjoy the sulfur springs with us today. You could see there are people already. Sisi. This is my little cousin, Sierra.
Guys, I see you. You see I can do nothing with you, my boy.
Yeah, Malik, yeah, Malik. Eh? Yeah.
Daddy, if you were dancing to your song.
Why not? Why not? Why not? Thank you, Michael. It's free. Yeah, yes, I. Yes, I. Mrs. Alexander.
Don't forget you have to pay.
$20.
$20?
I have more money, boy.
Let's go.
What do you want with me, man? Huh? What do you want with me? Are you from America?
From all the time you see, I fall off the bed.
Prevent us from going over there. Hey, hey, hey,
Hey! My song is...
hey, hey. Yes, I. Yes, I. Yes, I. Sarah, no problem.
Fire!
Hey,
Fire!
come on, my boy. Hour. You'll break your waist by the time you
Wagwan. Hey beautiful peeps, if you're still watching to this point, I want to tell y'all, stay tuned for part 2 for the rest of the day. This video, you can already see it's like 20 something minutes long, and I don't want to make it too long, and I want you to feel like you're here with me. I want you to feel the authenticity. I filmed a lot and just feel like you're here. There's not too much talking to you, just so you could see the vibes and feel the vibes. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments section, and I'll see y'all in part 2. We're going to Soufra as well, and then back to Vieux Fort and home, so stay tuned for that. And thanks so much for watching to the end. I'll see y'all. Later.